So I just found a cluster of Matsutakes. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. There's 4 of them in there. And then I've got another one here, another one there, another one there. So I got about 7, about 8. Oh, there's another one right there, 9. See that one right in there? See that? So I got about 10 or so Matsutakes right here. Papa, oh my God. Look how fat that is. Woo! Those are pigs. Got a whole bag full of Matsutakes there. Oh my God, these are big ones. Woo! Oh man, that's a big one. Oh, look at that. Oh, that one's a little bit soft, but that one would be a good eater. Oh man, look at that. Oh, these are some fat stems on them. Wow, look at that. Outdoor. So, got those, and then we got those, and let's see this one hiding right in here. There we go. Like a number 4, but this would be a good eater. Wow, that is a huge button. Woo! Those are the ones we're looking for. You see my pack is absolutely full. I can't load any more in there. I don't know how I'm going to be able to get these mushrooms back. The pack is absolutely full. So I'm gonna have to call my wife to get me another bag. I'm gonna cover these all back up. It's just the thing to do, you wanna cover them back up. Wow, that was a nice find. Look at my pack. Woo! That is what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm gonna get at it and see if I